guys, welcome to Tinto's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dessert recipe, the Oreo cake with chocolate ganache, and how to make it without an oven. Let's have a look on the ingredients. First, 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour. Then 1 cup sugar in powder form. Half teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 1 egg. 1 cup milk. 1 cup oil. 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. 1 packet Oreo biscuit. Milk chocolate 1/4 cup. Dark chocolate. I have used Amul's dark chocolate, but you can use any dark chocolate you want. First, we have to mix the dry ingredients, which are maida, baking powder, baking soda, sugar powder, cocoa powder in a bowl. Now take another clean bowl in which mix egg, oil, vanilla essence and milk and whisk it thoroughly. Now gradually add the dry ingredients mixture to the bowl and whisk it until all lumps are gone. Now keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Let's set up the bowl for baking. Take a steel bowl, add a bit oil and spread it thoroughly to the internal side of the bowl. It will help in easy removal of the cake after baking. Add a butter paper at the bottom and slowly pour the cake mixture in it. For baking, we have to make our own customized oven. Take a big steel container like karhai, pot, etc. Add salt, cover it and let the preheating process continue for 10 minutes. After the pot is hot, place the bowl in the center and cover it and let it bake for 40 minutes. As the cake is now baking, we are going to make the chocolate ganache. Add dark chocolate, milk chocolate, butter, milk, place a pot in high flame, add water and keep boiling. Place a glass bowl on top of it and keep it whisking until all the ingredients are melted and mixed well. After the cake is properly baked, keep it aside for cooling. Pour the chocolate ganache on top of it. Spread it equally and keep it in refrigerator for cooling. We have noticed that 50% of total viewers are not subscribed to our channel. Please subscribe and help us to grow more. For the decoration, I'm going to place Oreo biscuits on the top of the cake with the help of melted chocolate. And now, the delicious chocolate Oreo cake is ready. Bake it and share it with your friends, family and loved ones. Try out and let me know about your feedback. Upload the picture of your Oreo cake and tag me in Instagram @TintosKitchen. I would love to see them. Do like, share and subscribe to Tinto's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. Links are present in the description box below. I'll see you guys in another video with a brand new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep cooking. Bye!